Warning: some scenes may be graphic to some viewers. Viewer discretion is advised.
Howdy folks! Today I'm hanging out with Josh's personal friend, Tom the Lavender Turkey, and so I thought while we got him here, we can talk a little about him and his kind. So these kind of turkeys here are one of a kind of a blue variant caused by several interactions of colored genes. So another thing about turkeys, they can be pretty aggressive, especially during mating season. The truth behind the turkey's famous gobble is that it's only produced by males, and it's basically a way for the male to announce itself to potential mates, while also hopefully scaring off other males. If you still can't tell the female turkeys from the male turkeys, just check their poop. You don't really need to get up close and personal with turkeys to figure out their sex. Instead, just wait for the bird to do its business and then inspect the droppings. If the bird left behind straight, long, J-shaped stool, it's a male. If the stool is a bit more of a spiral, it's a female. Land or in the air, wild turkeys can keep pace with you just fine. These turkeys can reach speeds up to 25 miles per hour on land and 55 miles per hour in the air. They can only fly for about 100 yards, however, and we're only talking wild turkeys here. Domesticated turkeys, the ones that we raise to eat, are too heavy to fly, but they can still run a little bit. You're way more likely to see wild turkeys on the ground, but at night, these birds head for the branches of trees to roost. They dig their talons deep into a branch, making it difficult for them to be shaken loose by the wind. It's a good survival technique, but if you're a domesticated turkey, you'll probably find the nearest fence post. The turkey is omnivorous, meaning it eats both plants and animals. When it comes to animals, it'll resort to small reptiles including lizards and snakes, and large insects including grasshoppers, spiders, and caterpillars. And it also eats snails, slugs, and worms. But when it comes to plants, it'll resort to seeds and grains, berries and grapes, and fleshy plant parts such as buds, roots, bulbs, succulents, and cacti. Other than us humans on Thanksgiving Day, turkeys are prey to a long list of predators including coyotes, bobcats, foxes, weasels, skunks, possum, raccoons, snakes, hawks, owls, and domestic dogs. So as you can see on Tom here, he's wielding some pretty sharp claws right there. But as you can distinctly see, there's a thing on the back of his leg known as a spur. On males, spurs serve as a way to fend off other males when they spar for dominance when gathering a harem of hens. Spurs grow at the rate of about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 of an inch a year, and usually top off at about 1.5 inches at 4 years of age. Hanging down anywhere from 1 inch to more than 10 inches from a tom's chest. The beard is actually a modified feather, even though it appears to be part of the turkey's skin. The beard is coarse like a horsetail and grows 3 to 5 inches a year. A 3-year-old bird would possibly have a 9-inch beard, and beards over 11 inches are rare. So you see that fleshy little horn thing on Tom's head? That is called a snood, and it's a fleshy appendage that attaches just above the beak. When the tom relaxes, the snood is short, maybe 1/2 inch long. When the tom struts, the snood engorges with blood and extends to hang down over the beak. According to the National Wild Turkey Federation, the snood has no known function. So I have no precise measurement on Tom here, but the average turkey wingspan goes from 4.1 to 4.7 feet. So it's been nice getting to know our feathery friend a little bit better. So I'm just gonna leave Tom here to roost off for the rest of the night. This is Tom and I making our egg sit. See you in the next video.